स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणी
अवतारवरिष्ठाय
रामकृष्णाय ते नमः।
रामकृष्णाय ते नमः।
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले
सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले
सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले
सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले
नहि द्रक्ष्यते दुःखं करणे
नहि रक्षति दुःख्यं करणे.
Can you explain the meaning of these two lines?
So first the sloka was to tell that Rama and Krishna are coming again in Kali Yuga to teach us the values which we have forgotten, and
There was a saint called as Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. It is not Rama, comma Krishna, no. Ramakrishna Paramahamsar. There was a saint uh, who existed
okay,
in Tamil Nadu. I mean,
okay,
history books la kuda nariya nammal padichirupom. So he was the it is said that he was the incarnation of Vishnu incarnation. That is why he is called as Ramakrishna. I mean, people got to know when during his school days when I mean, as a student, he was very mediocre. Ennella madri romba konja dull student da, not very brilliant and extraordinary and board padke and all aane wala student, not like that. But so he was very unnoticed kind of student. But when just for an ஒரு instanceல வந்து when he had to enact as if he's Lord Shiva. Shiva மாதிரி he wore the snake and he stood தவம் பண்ற மாதிரி நிக்கிறது they got the அப்படின்னு பிரத்யக்ஷமா பகவான் மாதிரி நிக்கிறா பகவானே வந்து நிக்கிறா மாதிரி everybody felt as if really God is standing in front of them. And so that is one. And Ramakrishna Paramahamsa has done a lot many things. So one of the learning always God Deva Manusha Rupenam da. So Bhagavan வந்து அந்த ரூபத்துல வந்து he gave us the teachings. That's it.
okay, okay.
அடுத்தது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் பஜ கோவிந்தம் கோவிந்தம் பஜ மூடமத்தேனா.
Whenever we are stuck somewhere, when we say this, it might help us clear the hurdles in our life. And
Okay, what is the mistake? Yesterday you answered it properly and it was quite well. You answered it well yesterday.
it first stanza talks about the complaints we have in our lives, and when we sit back and look at our lives, we see that, and we start complaining that nobody came to our rescue. So when we ask the same question to God, God replies, "You never called out to me for me to come and help you." So it helps us. The first line, it helps us call out to God when we are in trouble.
Before you are in trouble, before you come into that particular அந்த situation வரதுக்கு முன்னாடியே, before that கோவிந்தம் பஜ மூடமத, before சம்பிராப்தே சந்நிஹிதே காலே, once you, when you think about all these things, when you are in your retired life, when you have finished, when you have completed with all your things, then you say that, oh, here I was wrong, here I was wrong, here I was wrong. So instead of doing that, keep on calling. Adinalata, you have Andal, you have Prahlad, and you have Dhruva, who were at the age of 5, these kids did wonders. At the age of 5, Andal had written this Tirupavai. Anju vayasula we hardly know to speak.
Yeah.
So Andal Madri, Prahladan Madri, Prahladan, the way how yesterday also I said the same thing. Prahlad, the way if God comes in front of us, maybe we will ask, Nanna Padikanam, 10th standard, Nanna score Pandanam, Nanna, like 12th, I should pass with good flying numbers, I should graduate, I should get a good job, I should get a good salary, I should get married to a nice person, my kids should live long, my husband should live long. No, these are all the list of things which uh, we ask. But what did Prahlada ask? I should be in your heart. Give me a place in your heart. So, Moda Janini Dhanardana Krishna. We were talking about that particular thing. Moda Janini Dhanardana Krishna. So, it is not money which matters. We should have, uh, like, there's one instance when Narada was, it's a very famous story, when Narada was put for an examination. So he had, I'm jealous I am. What is there in that particular human being who's there down? He hardly calls you. He calls you maybe 3 to 5 times in a day. So there was a very, very poor farmer who stayed in a joint family, almost 15-20 members. And those times, only one person used to earn, and the entire house would sit and eat very comfortably. They used to have their food. So he had a big family, and early morning when he got up, he used to take the name. Before he, like during his bath, when he has his food, again when he came home and he had his bath, and before retiring for the day. So these were the 5 instances when he used to call Narayana on that time. So no other prayers, no other shlogam, pujai, javam, tavam, nothing. He used to
Okay.
call Narayana, Hare Bhavani, Kapat, that's it. So Narada got inspired. Like he said, what is there? I am calling you. I am the brand ambassador. No, Narayana, Narayana. I keep on calling throughout the day, and what you are saying, I should be there in your heart. What is there in that person? So he says, okay, you do one thing. You go and check. How was this day? So he had a very terrible day, and so he watches all these things. So he says only 5 times in a day he called you. I keep on calling. Still you say that you love him more than me. So he said, okay, fine. So he took a bowl in his hand, bowl full of oil. And the kaila yanne vechinde, he was asked, uh, go throughout the entire globe.
Okay.
Entire globe. Just go around the world, and or a drop of oil should also not spill. Not even one drop of oil should spill from the bowl. And let me see. So you go and come back, then I'll talk. So he just went, and it seems Narayanan himself came in. Enna Narada, what are you doing? He said, go, I'm very busy, okay, I'm not going to talk to you. If I get disturbed, then I'll have to talk to Prabhu. It was Prabhu himself who has come, but he did not see. So he said, okay, fine. Now, okay, you said, see, I finished the task, and not even a single drop of oil is spilled. So what you're saying now? So Prabhu says, okay, did you call my name even once? He says, no, I did not. Did you see whom all you met? அந்த இடத்துல whoever came when you were walking, not many people came to disturb your task. So did you see who all were coming? He said, no, I did not. Many people came. I just shouted at him. I said, no, I have to talk to Prabhu. I will not talk to you. So he said, that Prabhu was me only. I only came to talk to you. It was me. So you did not even see, you did not even think of looking at who that was. You just said, oh, go, I don't want to talk to you. I'll talk to you later on. I want to talk to Prabhu. I'm in a competition right away. So if such a small task is bothering you so much, that person was doing so many things, so many people were there, and in our houses and all, we will be very quiet, no quarrels, no nothing would be there. So normal human house with all sorts of difficulties. So that is why he is very dear to me. So you have to keep on calling the name of God. May what happen on your day, keep on calling. कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, no, you have to call, you have to call him. If he call, maybe, because he will not wipe out the entire plan, and otherwise it will you'll start feeling bored. Yeah, what is this? So that will not happen. Something has to happen interesting, no? But
Yeah.
definitely you will get saved. So you have to keep calling God. Mood jani धनार्दमतृष्णा
मूढजहिः धनाधमतृष्णाम्
मूढजहेः धनार्दमतृष्णा
मूढजहिः धनाधमतृष्णाम्
कुरु सद्बुद्धिं मनसि वितृष्णा
कुरु सद्बुद्धिं मनसि वितृष्णाम्
यल्लभसे निज कर्मोपातम्
यल्लभसे निजकर्मोपातम्
So what is why is it that some people are very happy and why is it that some people are very sad? What is the reason? It's like comprehension passage. You already have the answer. You just have to pick the
Yeah.
answer from that. Yeah. What is the
Because
reason?
of their karmas, whatever they have done, they are paying its cost now,
Yes.
be
So
it good
whatever
or
you,
bad.
yes, as you sow, so shall you reap. So however is your karma, if you do good, you will get good. So yallabase nija karmopatam.
यल्लभसे निज कर्मोपातम्
वित्तं तेन वेणोदयचेतम्
विष्टं तेन विनोदयचेतम्
भज गोविन्दम् भज गोविन्दम्
भज गोविन्दम् भज गोविन्दम्
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
यावद्वीतोपाजनसक्तः
यावद्वीतोपार्जनशक्तः
तावन् निज परिवारो रक्तः
तावन्निज परिवारो रतः
रक्तः यावतीतो पाचनसक्तः
यावद्वीतोपार्जनशक्तः
तावन् निज परिवारो रक्तः
तावन्निज परिवारो रतः
पश्चात्तेऽधपि झरदे
पश्चाज्जीवति जर्जरदेः
पश्चाज्जीवति झरदे
पश्चाज्जीवति जर्जरदेः
वार्ताकोपे
कोऽपि न पृच्छति गेः
वार्ता कोऽपि न पृच्छति
वार्तां कोऽपि न पृच्छति गेः
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
So though it is written, it was written on in the 16th or 17th century. அப்போ எழுதியிருந்தாலும் it is relevant for the contemporary period. இப்போ கூட it is, I mean, அப்பையிலேருந்தே லோகம் கேடு வந்திருந்ததா இல்லை இப்போதான் we are going worse and worse, we don't know, but he wrote it long back that yavat vito parjana saptaha, your family members will listen to you only till the date you are earning. The day you stop earning, the day you get retired, everything would go to the next generation. Nobody would, there will be varta kopi na prichhati gehe. People will not even come to ask you, do you want water, do you want something, are you okay? No, that is what we are facing the same thing right now, no? For whatever reasons, parents are in the old age home,
Yeah.
we are there maybe in some other place for whatever reasons. Maybe you get married and you go out, or you are out for your workplace or whatever it is. But the moment you stop working, appa vakumna, if it's appa, the moment he gets retired, amma vakumna, the moment she stops mobilizing, ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தி வேலை பண்ண முடியலன்னா அம்மாவுக்கு வந்து ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட் ஆயாச்சு அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். ஸோ தட் டே யாவத் द्वीतोपार्जन सप्ताह तावन निज परिवारो, இப்ப இருக்கிற பரிவாரம் तावन निज परिवारो रक्तः पश्चात जीवति जर्जर देहे, அப்புறமா வந்து என்னைக்கு ஜர்ஜர தேஹே, when your body starts shaking, no, we see lot many old people where நம்மளோட உடம்பே நம்மளோட சொன்னதை கேட்காது. your head would start shaking, your hands would start shivering. பஷ்சாத் ஜீவதி ஜர்ஜர தேஹே, உடம்பே நம்மளோட சொன்னதை கேட்காது. ஜர்ஜர தேஹே வார்த்தா கோபி ந பிருச்சதி தேஹே. It's very sad that even the kids, as when we were kids, our parents would take care of us, leaving everything. There are mothers, we see mothers sacrificing their job. They will leave their job saying that I want to take care of my kids, I want to take care of my husband. But when it comes to the mother, when it is paying back the debt, we all raise our hands. So that is the meaning of this particular stanza. Yavadvito parjana saktaha
यावद्वीतोपार्जनशक्तः
तावन् निज परिवारो रक्तः
तावन्निज परिवारो रक्तः
यावद्वीतो पार्जन सक्तः
यावद्वीतोपार्जनशक्तः
तावन् निज परिवारो रक्तः
तावन्निज परिवारो रक्तः
पश्चात् जीवति जर्जर देहे
पश्चाज्जीवति जर्जर देहे
पश्चात् जीवति जर्जर देहे
तपसा जीवति जर्जरदेः
वार्ता कोऽपि न पृच्छति
वार्तां कोऽपि न पृच्छति
वार्ता कोऽपि न पृच्छति
वार्तां कोऽपि न पृच्छति
So what did you learn today? Today's comprehension passage.
So, whenever we have respect and only until we're earning, when people stop earning, nobody listens to them, and that around body starts refuses to listen to us, and it is very sad that the future generation also stops listening to us, and to like maintain their respect, people have to continuously work for it.
That's it. All right. Very good. So then just stop here for me. So yeah, good.